Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make bejeweled style art. Yes, it's from that PC game, but I'm using these. Now, as you can see, there are shapes in here, just like that game, but they are very, very different. So, if you have a gamer in your life and you want to make them a present, this is how you do it. So, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take all these out so that way they're easily accessible. So, for those of you that don't know, Bejeweled is a matchup game. And when you match the game up, the jewels up, that's why it's called Bejeweled, they disappear. Now, I haven't seen anything like what I'm about to do, and we're going to see how this turns out. Now, as you can see, these are not exactly like the game. I did that on purpose so that way I wouldn't get in trouble with anything. Alright, so here's how you do this. This watch. We're going to do this. Alright, just like that. I'll do two of these. There we go. I'll do a third one. Just like that. Alright, so as you can see, I got the first row done. Now, I'm going to use three of these. And you can make it as big or small as you want. I'm doing a small one for demonstration purposes. So that way you could see how this is done. And as you can see, I got two rows done. So now let's use this one and like this. As you can see, that's what this looks like. As you can see, it's not exact, but this is what it looks like. Bejeweled style art for that game area in your life. Pretty cool, huh? So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.